In 3, 2, 1. Good for you, I guess you moved on really easily. Found a new girl and it only took a couple weeks. Remember when you said you wanted to give me the world? And good for you, I guess that you've been working on yourself. I guess the therapist I found for you should really help. You can be a better man for your brand new girl. Good for you, you look happy and healthy, not me, if you ever cared to ask. Good for you, you're doing great out there without me, baby. God, I wish I could do that. I lost my mind, I spent the night crying on the floor of my bathroom. You're so unaffected, I really don't get it, but I guess good for you. Good for you, I guess you're getting everything you want. You bought a new car and your career's really taking off. It's like you never even happened, baby. What the hell is up with that? And good for you, it's like you never even met me. Remember when you swore to God I was the only person who ever got you? Well, screw that, screw you. You will never have to hurt the way you know that I do. And good for you, you look happy and healthy, not me, if you ever cared to ask. And good for you, you're doing great out there without me, baby. God, I wish that I could do that. I lost my mind, I spent the night crying on the floor of my bathroom. Be so unaffected, I really don't get it, but I guess good for you. Ooh. Maybe I'm too emotional, but your apathy is like a wounded soul. Maybe I'm too emotional, maybe you never cared at all. Maybe I'm too emotional, your apathy is like a wounded soul. Maybe I'm too emotional, maybe you never cared at all. Good for you, you look happy and healthy, not me, if you ever cared to ask. And good for you, you're doing great out there without me, baby. Like a damn sociopath, I lost my mind, I spent the night crying on the floor of my bathroom. Be so unaffected, I really don't get it, but I guess good for you. Good for you, I guess you moved on really easily. We did it. After 87 billion tries, we did it. Hey, thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on the YouTubes. Thank you so much for watching. Also, if you just have recently, so hit that red subscribe button. Welcome to the Uke fam, the best Uke fam on the YouTubes, in my opinion. Thank you so much for being here. Let me know what you think of Olivia's new album, this song. Do you like them? Do you hate them? I have a feeling we're going to be playing some more covers, play-alongs, and tutorials on this channel of her album. So hint, hint, make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell notification. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke that you are playing? It sounds amazing. It looks amazing. You're so beautiful and humble. Well, thank you so much for those compliments. But I'll tell you about this uke. This is a concert-sized Enya ukulele with the cherry blossom flower design on the headstock. And it's made out of mahogany and it has this deep blue color. If you're in the market for a new concert ukulele, I highly recommend this one. It's from Enya again, and it's made out of mahogany, so it has that rich sound. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get this on Amazon. You can read the reviews, you can get it for yourself, you can get it for a gift for a friend, whoever, but that will be linked below. Thank you so much, Enya, for making affordable, again, key affordable, amazing sounding ukes. Also, links to everything, all of my socials will be in the description below as well. Everything is just Ricky Somborn on all of my socials, Patreon, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram. You can find me on all those social media platforms. Make sure to add me, send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, links to my merch. I'm currently wearing the Uke Fam merch. If you do want to go support this channel, again, Patreon below, merch below, and socials and all that good stuff. Make sure to look in the description. There's always good stuff on there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Goodbye. I'm tired. It's been like 80 billion years. I've been recording all day trying to get this. I've been like messing up the lyrics low key. So if I did mess up the lyrics, I didn't. You know what I mean? All right. I love you. I'll see you later. Bye.